Welcome everybody, and
Hey.
we got our famous fan here, and he's working on 10,000 rides on Iron Gwazi.
Soon enough.
Well, 3,000.
Yeah.
So, and we also have Don here from Top Wolf Outdoors, another YouTuber here, and we're actually gonna go ahead and have some fun today.
Yay!
It feels really great outside too. It feels great. It's not like humid.
It's not.
It's hot, but it's not humid. So
Exactly.
really looking forward to a great day.
No rain, no rain, no lightning,
Let's hope for none.
nothing. We just hope for a nice day just like now, all day. So we are now on our way. We got our Howl-O-Scream bucks from Willie. Love that guy, man. I love all the people there at Guest Relations. Where are you?
I'm all the way back here.
Well, why are you going so slow? Do you know what the father and mother tomato said to the children?
Catch up.
Catch up! Catch up! Ah! On our way to Iron Gwazi for our first ride of the day. And then for some updates. In previous videos, I've been joking around about little pink houses. I believe this is going to be the area for the Vegas zombies. So can you picture a whole bunch of zombie Elvises in front of these pink houses?
Nope.
Yeah, okay. And there's Gert's house.
That would be funny if they didn't name it Gert's house.
We are actually entering this way into the Mayambi Reserve because this is the other side is closed off because they are redoing the habitat for the chimpanzees. So we're gonna come over here and see some of our gorilla friends. Here they come.
I can never remember their names. That was good.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's Bolingo and his two sons.
That was funny.
That was, oh my. Got here right at the right time.
Now he's pulling up, playing with his foot. Daddy, keep your boys in line, will you? Hey, you coming up to say hi?
Okay.
Or are you going over to see Gert in the other window?
Gonna eat. Now it's in the shade. Meet my dreams.
It's so fun watching them. Now I know why Gert gets so much pleasure out of it. Those two boys up there playing. Bolingo and his two boys, Enzi and Oliver. You see him there? There's good old Groot. Usually all three of them are out, but it looks like just baby. And either mommy or daddy, I can't tell which. I think it's daddy. Well, Bubba and Jimmy are chilling out in the pond. I think they have an idea it's going to be a very hot day today. Hi, Bubba. How you doing?
Yeah, but that only goes like 10 or 15 and that's it.
So we have here, over by the elephants, we have the shade popping up. And just like over by Cheetah Hunt, it's made by wood.
Hey,
5.3K with 60 frames a second.
this is my first time. My first time.
We're on here
Fury.
with Don, and it's his first time. And
Gonna be a blast.
gonna be a blast.
Just got off of the
The Serengeti Flyer.
Serengeti Flyer, first time.
First time on that too.
Blast.
He didn't throw up, so that's a good sign.
Yes. This one, I'm holding on.
And well, it doesn't look like that much has changed since last week. And then over there on the other side of the access road, doesn't look like much changed over there either. So
Yeah.
well, that was it. So we're gonna go ahead and get a view of us as we watch Don
Woo. Oh,
realize
buddy,
and think,
did I mess up?
yeah, did the reason why did he come on this ride,
Did I
right?
mess up?
Contemplating
Here we go.
life and drop.
Oh, nice.
Nice, yeah.
Not bad at all. I didn't even close my eyes.
No,
Cool.
just that top part, right?
Yeah, just yeah, not even. I mean,
The whole sensation of
and then
you're gonna
and the
slip
harness?
through, right?
Yeah, and the harness, excellent. No,
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't move. Yeah.
This is going to be another scare zone. And you see Big Ed's right there, so that should give it away. And well, the Congo train station is still closed, and I'm pretty sure Kumba is probably still closed also. We're gonna go check and see about them footers. Last week we were here and The footers were missing, but the rebarb was there. So all they needed to do was pour the concrete there for the footers. So we're gonna see if they're still working on the footers and if they poured the concrete in or not. Oh, they are still working on them. You can get a better view on the other side. Love the new signage that they put up for Kumba. So for those who think Kumba's going anywhere anytime soon, I don't think so. They are actually working on the footers.
Let them know on the app it says it's open.
Yeah.
It's not.
By the way, on the app it's open, but it's not. We just passed through the entrance and it's still closed. And considering there's people working on it, yeah.
We would also like to remind you that the Congo River Rapids
Hi, Batari. How are you?
Riders will get
Hi.
wet and possibly soaked. Busch Gardens assumes no responsibility for lost or damaged gardens.
How you doing today? Hi. You having fun? This is Batari, our famous Komodo dragon. Isn't she a beaut? All the previous times we came through here, she was taking a nap. She looks pretty good now, wide and awake. As soon as I turned off the video, she started looking this way.
Guests with heart
Hi.
problems or other physical limitations. Due to the nature
Okay.
of this attraction, you will experience.
Let's go. Hey guys, you see the fabulous work, and you actually see the guys down there actually doing the work. Kumba is getting some new footwork done. See what I did there? So yeah, they are gonna, they have the rebarb in there and they got the forms all set. All they need to do is pour some concrete in there and put the ride back together, and we should be able to ride this. So as you can see though, the concrete has not been poured, so we have at least another week or two before Kumba comes back up. We're coming into another scare zone, and while we go through it, we're gonna take a look at the sky ride, see if the sign is still missing. Looks like they got more werewolves up. And let's see here. Yep, still no sign. So we are here in front of a scare zone, and what we have, I guess, the full lineup for Howl-O-Scream. We have 5 houses, 5 scare zones, a new show, and a returning show. So for the houses, We have a new house, D.H. Bagham's Circus of Fear, which we have determined is taking the place of Deathwater Bayou over there by Iron Gwazi. We have Stranglewood Estate, The Residence, Home for the Holidays, Witch of the Woods, and The Forgotten. And for the shows, we have an all-new show called Rock the Grave. And we also have the returning Cirque-Extreme. Also a returning favorite, the Rolling Bones. We also have Scarioke. Now, for the scare zones, we have the Sin City Zombies, Big Ed's Demolition Derby, Raven's Mill, Beyond the Veil, and the Junkyard. So we do know where the Sin City Zombies will be. That's going to be over there by the Penguins. The Big Ed's Demolition Derby is going to be over there by the Ubanga Banga Bumper Cars. Raven's Mill, and that's going to be up there at the top of Stanleyville before you get to the Lori's Landing. Beyond the Veil is over there by Sesame Street, and then you have Junkyard over by the entrance. Now that is all of the goodies that is coming your way, and it's only in 2 more weeks. That's right, 2 weeks. Well, probably by the time you actually watch this video, it'll be a week and a half. So get ready to face your fears, folks. We are. So when you guys are ready to beat the heat, the best way to do it, come over here at Chikra, get a little wet. Now the best spot to stand to get wet is right there. Just like that. And this is Scare Zone Raven's Mill. And well, we noticed that they actually put the actual mill together last week. Don't see any more changes. Private property. Anybody in there? Another door, it looks like. All these nice little places for all these scare actors to be hiding. Huh. Oh. I see a chainsaw. I see 2 chainsaws. Let's see what else is in there. It just looks like a whole bunch of equipment for scaring us, doesn't it?
Yes,
Oh boy.
it does.
Are we in for a treat or what?
Yeah.
We are now in another scare zone. This is going to be Beyond the Veil, which was located over there by Cheetah Hunt last year. So not much has changed here, and it looks like the same props are still up. Love these decorations. Yeah, love those decorations that they got up. they're not having a party today. No garden party for the flamingos. But hey, we had to come and say hi to our pink chickens. Just had the apple strudel with the ice cream, and was that good. Folks, in case you're wondering, Beer Fest is still going on. So don't forget to get your German in.
That's cool.
So does he. He's got one on his arm.
Oh, what is that? I'm a Jedi. You got one?
Yeah.
Star Wars tattoo. Mandalorian.
Does the wiring?
Wire stuff.
Yeah, I saw that. That was cool.
He was at my school for first week of school. They have all these vendors at the school every day. They was
We'll let you out.
cool, and he was there. And he could just do all
Well,
this
there's
stuff. And I'm
territory.
like, oh my god, what do I want? Like, I was like, I don't know. And I was like, oh, something Busch Gardens. And then I was like, ooh, I'll do Matsu.
It was my
And then
Way,
I was like,
way.
welcome.
It wasn't my
Never seen it
territory.
before.
Right.
So he took a picture of my logo, and he did that in 2 minutes. And I'm like, you're awesome, you're amazing, but I want earrings too. Yeah. We want like whatever you could do with wire, I wanted. Anything Busch Gardens, like yes. So I wonder if he could like even,
They're being called
you
in.
know, like wire a piece of like poster. I'm gonna ask.
Yeah.
I want you to go back in the tree so I can take a picture. Darn.
I wonder if that's the boy.
So right over here in front of Cheetah Hunt, as you're waiting for your guests to ride Cheetah Hunt, you can come over here and stop in the shade. I see the for sale sign is back, so I'm gonna take a wild guess and say that maybe Michael, your credit check didn't go through, because now it's up on the market again. I thought you bought this place. Well, hopefully you can get your credit all sorted out and you can go ahead and have this place opened up for us when we get here on September 8th. If not, I'll buy it. Maybe. Well, folks, guess what? Another wonderful day here at Busch Gardens. And if you notice, we had a guest with us. His name is Don, and he also is a YouTuber. Go check him out at Top Wolf Outdoors. That's Top Wolf Outdoors. And, well, guys, I don't know how many times I have to say this, but thank you. You guys are killing it. Probably by the time I put this video up, we'll probably be up to 600.
300.
Yeah, 300. Well, we're not going to edit that out. We'll leave that blooper in there. So yeah, we are probably, if I check right now, we'll probably even have 600 right now. But yeah, just 2.5 months ago, we were looking at 500. You guys are knocking it out of the park. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for subscribing. And until next time, see ya!